Hey everyone! Noticing air bubbles in your Keurig and your coffee isn't brewing smoothly. Yeah, those air pockets can block water flow and mess up your coffee. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to remove air bubbles and get your Keurig brewing perfectly again. First, turn off your Keurig and unplug it. Safety first, you know. Next, carefully remove the water reservoir. Take a look inside. If you see air pockets or bubbles trapped at the bottom, that's likely the problem. Now, fill the reservoir with fresh water about 3/4 full. Gently tap the sides to release trapped air bubbles. Just a few taps can help the water settle. Place the reservoir back in the machine, then run a water-only cycle without a K-cup. This primes the system and pushes any remaining air out of the lines. If bubbles persist, repeat the fill, tap, and water-only cycle once or twice. It usually clears all the air pockets. Air bubbles can also form if the needle is clogged. Remove the K-cup holder and carefully clean the needle with a paper clip or needle cleaning tool. Finally, place a K-cup and run a brew cycle. Your coffee should now flow smoothly without spluttering or interruptions. And that's it. The easiest way to remove air bubbles from your Keurig and get consistent coffee every time. If this helped, go ahead and like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more quick coffee hacks.